So today I'm excited to check out this solar pool ionizer. So what is an ionizer, right? Well, you have chlorine or maybe even salt in your pool that converts to chlorine. That is the main sanitation item for your water. So we have chlorine and we have an ozonator that also treats the water using ozone. So this ionizer basically uses electricity from the solar panel on the top, and it will slowly ionize a copper rod that screws in, which is replaceable. This is supposed to help us use even less chlorine and have much clearer and more sanitary water. So I want to check this thing out. Let's open it up, see what's in the box. All right, so right out of the box, you've got the device itself. It's got a solar panel on top, and basically it floats in the water like this. But what you'll see underneath is a copper rod that has a spring over it, and then it has this little housing around it to protect it. You can take the housing off by using that little screw head that you see at the bottom, and also the copper rod can be replaced if it's used all the way up, and that's basically a maintenance item. You do want to use up the copper because that's what goes into the water. Then it comes with a cleaning brush so you can clean off that copper rod if you get buildup and so forth on it. And then it even comes with some copper test strips to let you know, there's 30 strips there. It lets you know how much copper is actually getting put into your water, so you can kind of understand the sanitation level. It also comes with a manual that's pretty basic, but you know, the overall operation of this is pretty basic and straightforward. So this gives you a little bit of history on how this stuff works and you know why you would use an ionizer with your pool. I want to see how quickly this breaks down the copper and puts it into the water. And I also would like to see, is it really helping us with our chlorine?